Professional Draw Drill Part 1. Line up for balls with the 8-ball on the rail. Cue ball is behind the head string. Line the cue ball with the object ball and move it one rotation to the right for a slight angle. After pocketing the object ball, take ball in hand and repeat. The goal of this drill is to draw to the side rail and get decent shape for the 8-ball. Make sure to build consistency and confidence that you stick to your pre-shot routine. If you're scooping the ball when doing this drill, slow down, keep a loose grip and focus on simply continuing through the cue ball without power. Drill these concepts into your subconscious. 1. Check the ghost ball. 2. Step into your shot for a good stance. 3. Continue through the cue ball without power. Length is key, not pop. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and save this video for future practice sessions.